Welcome to HH Kids Portal.
A for apple. B for bucket. C for cat. D for doctor. E for egg. F for frog. G for girl. H for hat. I for iron. J for jeep. K for kite. L for lamp. M for moon. N for nuts. O for ox. P for panda. Q for coil. R for robot. S for snail. T for turtle. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for well. X for xyphase. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.